Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you for always supporting me. Today it's a bit of a different video and I don't know how well it's gonna do. Like, I don't know how interested you're gonna be in this, but I like watching them, so I thought do one for you guys. So basically, you'll have seen from the title, it's a clean with me day. So it's like a vlog, but basically of just thrashing through the house. It was Marley's birthday 2 days ago, and what time did we finish? We finished at like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock on Sunday night. Marley's obviously got school, so he went to bed. Me and Jordan like just had to kind of recharge, because obviously having people round and hosting is quite tiring. So we were like, let's just go to bed, let's leave everything. And then I had the idea of doing the clean with me video, but yesterday I had things I needed to do, so I thought I'll just leave the house. Like, it has given me massive like anxiety, like it really bothers me, but I just was like, for the video guys, for the video. So I've left the house basically. It hasn't been like, normally I'd be picking up after things, whereas I haven't even picked up. Like, there's socks on the floor there, Jordan's socks are on the floor there, there's an Amazon parcel there, like just random stuff. So it is probably worse than it normally is. I would never leave it to get this bad, but then I thought it's definitely more satisfying being worse. Marley's room hasn't been like properly tidied since he had all his cousins round, so yeah, it's a bit of a whirlwind, but you're here for the journey, you're coming along with me. So first things first, I got my list. So I've got my to-do list. It's just a must-have. I would highly recommend do a to-do list, write jobs that you need. If you get overwhelmed easy, start off with like three jobs upstairs, 3 jobs downstairs kind of thing. Like, whereas today I have literally done all my work, so that today is just a cleaning day. If I didn't have this, I would get overwhelmed and start like cleaning the walls. That's how I'm like. If I have a list, I can follow it. If I don't have a list, I start 50 million things and don't finish them basically. Then I've got my little cleaning caddy with all my favourite products that I use up and downstairs. I think this was from IKEA and I love it. They do different colours. I just think it's so handy. Got my Minky in there, Flora, got some Flash. Let's crack on. Let's crack on. Let's get the house back in normal working order and feel a bit normal again.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it
tired. I've only done 2 rooms. I ain't even hoovered Marley's yet. We had the heating on all night last night by accident, but it wasn't high. But I don't like waking up when the house is like, people do obviously, but like red hot. And like I sleep like out of the coat and stuff, so I'm just feel like I'm warm-blooded anyway. So the house just feels way too hot today. And I'm wearing a jumper. Let's crack back on. I'm gonna have breakfast soon because I'm starting to slack. I'm starting to get hungry. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish Marley's room and then breakfast time.
I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love.
Just having a break. I've just made some lunch and it is it's a disaster lunch. It didn't go very well. It's obviously 2 eggs. I wanted poached eggs. No, I didn't. I wanted boiled eggs. And I've been trying out new recipes in the air fryer. And yeah, I just could not get the shell off. Oh, but it'll still taste good. It might not look good, but I know it's gonna taste good because they're cooked perfectly. And then I better go back upstairs and finish off up there. Do you know, because we've just had Christmas and now it's his birthday, I have no homes for these things. Like, these are full. These are full. And I had the biggest clear out, like literally the biggest clear out before Christmas. And I just feel like I can't clear out again. Like, everything in here is needed. So my friend bought this and I have smelt it before, and when I went into Morrison's the other day, I was like, oh, I'm gonna actually see how much I love this, and I love this. And Marley's room is done.
Every once in a while, I feel the love. I feel the love.
Blue theme going on in this bathroom. I don't know why I do it, and I don't even really plan it. I feel like maybe it's like in the back of my brain, like I'll pick up the toilet stickers and like depending on the colour I feel like I automatically go for like the bleach that matches and like the toilet smelly that matches. Like, I don't know why I do it. And like the downstairs, like the kitchen downstairs, sorry, I've noticed it's all lemon and I didn't mean to do it. I feel like it's just in my head.
Closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing.
This is by far the worst room, I think, because this was the hosting room. There's just a lot going on, but me and my trusted caddy can get through this. Let's do it.
Every day I feel the love. I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love.
Dishwasher tip: don't buy cheap washing up tablets, because I ran out of these and I just used some like cheap ones I had at the bottom of like my box, and everything's dirty. And I even put it on like a hot wash. So, oh, it's a cheap tablet, I'll put it on a hot wash. And yeah. So now I've got to rewash all that. Great.
Baby, what's your number? I wanna go under. Making you a memory, that's really all I need. I'm alive and breathing, living my
it's not working. Don't know why. I have no idea what's wrong with the Hoover. I'm just going to leave that to Jordan to fix. Get some washing in, because we've only got 2 towels left in the house to use. And I'm going to use, Marley's 7 now. Wow, that sounds crazy. And I still use like baby non-bio, just because he has got quite sensitive skin, and I like the smell of them, and I just don't want to risk it. Some Vanish. My mum always had Vanish in, and now I'm just like addicted to putting Vanish in my whitewash in. Like it's a must.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
You don't even understand how much I've been looking forward to pop them balloons. They were actually my nephew's, and then my sister-in-law texted me like, do you want these? Because they're still fine. So then we've had them next. So yeah, they were done with some kind of ad for some normally. But the number 7 and the happy birthday can stay as long as it wants. But yeah, the balloons and the cards, they'd had their fun.
Every once in a while, I feel the love. I feel it growing every day. I feel the love. I feel the love. I hope it never goes away. I feel the love, love, love.
Okay, that's it for me. I've got to get Marley in about 30 minutes. So I'm just going to have like a little chill and recharge. So I've ticked off like 99% of my list. The only thing I haven't done is the patio windows, but I'm not going to cry over it, and I'm not going to feel bad about it. I'll just do it later, because it's 2:30 and the house has been absolutely thrashed back to normality. Like, I'm so glad it looks like a little bit normal again. And I got some nice little daffodils, because obviously spring is on its way. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Comment below if you like this kind of vibe, if you like the cleaning with me, or what else you'd like to see. And please subscribe. Lots of love, guys. Mwah.